In this video I am showing you how you can use voice changer in Instagram story. So to use voice changer in Instagram story, firstly go to your Instagram app and then click on the plus icon in the top right corner, and here you have to go to the story tab. And after going to the story tab, what you need to do here is you have to you can see all these effects. So you have to swipe the left to right, and then you can see all these options, and here you can see you have to browse effects. Click on the browse effects option, and you can see in the top right corner search icon. Click on the search icon, and here you have to type for the voice changer like this, and then search it. When you tap the voice changer, you can see all the voice changer option. You can hear any of the voice changer options that you want to change. So you can add see any of the voice changer option, you can hear it, and if you like this, then you can tap on the try it button in the bottom left corner, and then here you can see all these options. So here what you need to do is you can simply long hold this icon option. Here you can see all these options, voice changer options. So to record in these options, voice changer option, you have to simply long hold these effects, and then you can see,
and now it is recording.
so here you can see how it is recording, how it is sounds. So that's it, that how you can use voice changer in Instagram story, and then you can send it to your story or anything that you want. So that's it, that how you can use voice changer in Instagram story. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.